Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to go paperless on the US Bank app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and go paperless on the US Bank app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the US Bank app. Next, we're going to click on the upper right-hand corner, the hamburger icon. Next, scroll down where it says Statements and Documents. Next, click on Paperless Preferences, which is located underneath My Documents. Now on this page here, you just need to choose Digital and Documents for all eligible accounts, and then click on Save. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and go paperless on the US Bank app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.